With every one of the various kinds and brands of business pressure washers out there, it isn't not difficult to pick the best one. There are such countless things you need to search for: gas versus electric, cold water versus high temp water, and obviously, differing levels of value, viability, and cost. Anyway, how would you pick the best business pressure washer for your business? Whether you're searching for something to eliminate paint and rust or something to clean vehicles and houses, having the right strain washer for the gig can have a significant effect. Truth be told, it tends to be the distinction between a fast, great cleaning position that leaves clients intrigued and a long, wasteful day of cleaning. In this way, we've assembled the most elite in the business pressure washing industry to make it simple for you to pick the ideal model. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend best commercial pressure washers. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Northstar proven performance brand. This Northstar gas cold water pressure washer packs Northstar power, durability and reliability in a newly designed compact steel cart featuring new flat-free tires for easy portability and low maintenance. Equipped with an industrial-grade Honda GX390 engine, this model provides quiet, reliable performance and durability for blasting through mud, dirt and debris faster and more easily at home or job sites, great for lawn and garden equipment, heavy-duty machinery, driveways, parking lots, patios, office buildings, and much more. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the SIMPSON brand. This powerful SIMPSON mobile pressure washing system will handle all your commercial jobs. It is perfectly suited for contract cleaners, mobile detailers, municipalities, and resorts. The trailer is DOT certified as an over-the-road pressure washer system. Job site setup is a snap. Pull up to the work area, connect the spray gun, start the engine and begin cleaning. Designed to surpass expectations, the SIMPSON mobile pressure washer 4200 psi at 4.0 GPM is a self-contained cleaning machine. Engineered to utilize the power and performance from top-of-the-line SIMPSON pressure washers matched with the portability of a utility trailer. The 95003 is run by a Honda engine and comes with a 100-foot hose, an ergonomic spray gun and 5 quick connect nozzles. This mobile system brings a cleaning solution into the field where a water supply isn't there. This powerful SIMPSON mobile pressure washing system will handle all your commercial jobs. It is perfectly suited for contract cleaners, mobile detailers, municipalities, and resorts. The trailer is DOT certified as an over-the-road pressure washer system. Number 3 in our top is from the Northstar brand. This Northstar trailer-mounted hot water pressure washer with self-contained 200-gallon water tank delivers hot water washing anywhere. Perfect for remote job sites with no electricity or running water. Honda GX630V twin engine powers cat pump to deliver hot water at 4000 psi for effective cleaning. Horizontal shaft engine is engineered for long life. Cat direct drive pump has brass manifold and ceramic plungers. Coil assembly is fully encased in a custom-molded ceramic fiber refractory combustion chamber with low thermal conductivity and resistance to thermal shock. Parker Hannifin Racer fuel filter and water separator prevents burner ignition problems. Diagnostic light signal operation of key components. Rear hose entry spray gun with split lance keeps the hose out of the way for easy handling. Even the toughest grease, grime and oil are no match for this high-performance Northstar hot water pressure washer trailer. With up to 4.0 GPM and 4000 psi of hot water cleaning power, this powerhouse does what cold water pressure washers can't: blast through the dirtiest, greasiest projects more quickly and easily. Great for professionals and serious do-it-yourselfers demanding premium cleaning performance. Equipped with a high-quality Cat Triplex pump, This Northstar hot water pressure washer trailer delivers field-proven dependability. The pump's direct drive design requires fewer moving parts, minimizing maintenance and maximizing value. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the SIMPSON cleaning brand. The SIMPSON Water Blaster 4200 PSI at 4.0 GPM is the perfect machine for professional paint preparation, facility and fleet maintenance, mining, construction, property maintenance, and more. Engineered for commercial and industrial use, it features a heavy-duty aluminum frame for increased mobility. Running on a belt drive system, it's designed to reduce heat and vibration and lessen wear and tear over time. The ALWB 60827 runs on a Honda GX390 engine built for long, continuous runs on the toughest jobs, with a reliable AAA industrial triplex pump. It comes with a 50-foot hose, an ergonomic spray gun, and 5 quick connect nozzles, designed to meet the rigorous demands of the cleaning professional. The SIMPSON Aluminum Water Blaster Series frame is crafted of 100% aircraft-grade aluminum, making it lighter in weight than most steel-frame pressure washer designs. Perfect for contractors who specialize in deck cleaning, wood restoration, paint preparation, graffiti removal and all other professional cleaning services. The SIMPSON Aluminum Water Blaster Series designed for optimum performance in the harshest environments. 3-year limited Honda commercial engine, 5-year limited pump, 10-year limited frame and 90-day accessory warranty. 5-year limited pump warranty, 10-year limited frame warranty, 90-day limited accessory warranty. SIMPSON 4200 PSI, 4.0 GPM gas pressure washer runs on a Honda GX390 OHV Commercial Series engine with oil alert. The professional-grade aluminum platform with brushed extruded aluminum tubing is crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy. The number 1 product is part of the Champion Power Equipment brand. The Champion Pro 100790 4200 PSI 4.0 GPM commercial duty low profile gas pressure washer provides cost-effective, professional cleaning power. Clean like a pro with the perfect combination of high-performance components and practical features. This Champion Pro 4200 PSI pressure washer performs well under pressure no matter what the job. Whether your outdoor cleaning project involves your patio, deck, outdoor furniture, siding, fence, driveway, car, truck, boat, RV, farm equipment, or something else, Champion's commercial duty pressure washer is designed to get the job done. It's important to have the right nozzle for the job, since the size of the nozzle affects water flow and pressure. The 5 quick connect nozzles ensure maximum cleaning performance for any type of job. Use cleaning detergents hassle-free with the 2-foot detergent hose for included onboard 1-gallon detergent tank. The AR commercial-grade triplex brass head pump is designed for high performance and has a forged brass manifold, providing corrosion resistance. Champion's low-profile design along with the 10-inch tires make this pressure washer easy to maneuver. The handy hose storage strap plus onboard storage for the rubber high-pressure hose, trigger gun and spray wand ensure you'll have what you need when you need it, plus you'll be able to keep moving without having to stop and put things away. The durable steel frame is built to last. Which commercial pressure washer would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.